TV, this is The Explainer with Yvonne Okwara.
Njoki Shege is our sign language interpreter. Let's begin tonight with Trans-Nzoia Governor George Natembeya, who has been released on a cash bail of $500,000 shillings after pleading not guilty to corruption charges. However, in a ruling issued by the court, strict conditions were imposed on the governor, including a directive barring him from accessing his official county offices for a period of 60 days. Citizen TV's Ben Kirui reports.
Tuesday morning, after a night in the custody of the Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission EACC, following his dramatic arrest on Monday, Trans-Nzoia Governor George Natembeya was arraigned at Milimani facing multiple charges, including corruption, conflict of interest, and embezzlement of public funds. The Directorate of Public Prosecutions, DPP, opposing his release on bail, raising concerns that the governor might interfere with witnesses or tamper with crucial evidence.
It's a likelihood because of that influence. There's a compelling reason you must deny bail. And the standard of proof is on a balance of probabilities.
I also argue very, very respectfully, Your Honor, that you give him a free bond. The governor will go nowhere. We all know him. He lives in this country. He has rendered sterling services to the nation, and there's no way he can leave Kenya for another country at home.
I was last in a criminal court defending somebody 20 years ago. But this matter made me extremely agitated, and I said, I will come back to the criminal court to defend somebody. Not because of his status, because we can't allow a country to degenerate to a situation whereby the criminal justice system now is used to harass opponents. That's wrong.
Rise to the occasion and show those who are in power, who are in executive, that your powers can be challenged.
3 questions for dissemination have commended themselves as follows.
Chief Magistrate C.N. Ondieki dismissed the bail objection, ruling that the prosecution had failed to present sufficient grounds to deny him bail. He granted the governor a cash bail of 500,000 Kenya shillings. As part of his bail conditions, he has been barred from accessing Trans-Nzoia County offices for 60 days as investigations continue.
The first accused undertakes not to interfere with witnesses and or evidence. Roman 2. In order to allow EACC to secure evidence and witnesses, if any, or if there is further evidence to be secured, the first accused is prevented from going to his office at the county headquarters for a period of 60 days running from today.
We have no doubt at all. I, for one, have no doubt.
According to the charge sheet, the alleged offences occurred between January 2023 and April 2025. Investigators claim Natembeya benefited financially through 3 companies with close personal ties to him. One of the firms is reportedly owned by his close associate and company director, and allegedly received county contracts worth up to 3.3 million Kenya shillings. The case is set for mention on June 3rd. All day of court proceedings and legal tussles between the prosecution and the defense marked the climax of Monday's dramatic events. The governor, though not in custody, remains embattled as he fights to clear his name amid corruption allegations. Ben Kirui, Citizen TV, Milimani Law Courts, Nairobi.